Have you ever wondered why some people become super successful while others struggle? It's not just about hard work. It's about how you think. Your brain is like a computer. If you install the right programs, you can create massive success. But if you're running the wrong mindset, you'll stay stuck. Today, I'll show you how to reprogram your brain for success and wealth. Please be with me till the end to know how you can rewire your brain and start attracting success today. Your brain is constantly shaping your life through thoughts and beliefs. This happens in two ways: your conscious mind and your subconscious mind. Think of it like an iceberg. Your conscious mind is what you're aware of, but your subconscious mind, which is 90% of your brain, is running the real show. It controls your habits, confidence, and even your financial success. If you grew up hearing money is hard to get or rich people are greedy, those beliefs are buried deep in your subconscious, blocking you from success. But here's the good news. You can reprogram your brain for success. Let's see how. The biggest difference between the rich and the poor is not just money, it's mindset. Let's compare. Successful people see money as a tool to create opportunities. They invest in knowledge, businesses, and skills. On the other hand, people with a poor mindset often spend money on things that don't grow their wealth. They believe rich people are just lucky. To succeed, you must think like the rich. Start seeing money as a tool, not just something to spend. Now, let's look at 3 daily habits of successful people that you can copy. First, they read every day. Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk all say reading is their secret weapon. Books teach new ideas and help you grow. Second, they set clear goals. Successful people don't just hope, they plan. They write down their goals and take daily action. Third, they surround themselves with winners. Jim Rohn said, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." If you want success, be around successful people. Now, let's talk about how to rewire your brain for wealth. These techniques work. Your brain believes what you tell it. Start saying things like, "I attract wealth easily every morning." Studies show that when you visualize success, your brain thinks it's real. Picture yourself rich and successful every day. Mindset alone isn't enough, you must take action. Start that business, learn that skill, and create opportunities for yourself. Now you know how to train your brain for success. But tell me, what habit are you working on? Comment below. Before you go, here's a quick question for you. What is the term for the decrease in the purchasing power of money over time? A. Inflation. B. Deflation. C. Recession. D. Investment. Drop your answer in the comments below. Let's see how many of you get it right. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more success tips. See you in the next video.